Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to text in Autocad updated. Start by setting a text style and choosing a font and default height that match your drawing scale. Use single-line text for simple labels and multi-line text for notes that need paragraphs or bullets. Always place annotations on a dedicated layer and set the layer to annotative when needed for multiple scales. Begin by choosing consistent formatting to save time and maintain clarity in your drawings. Use style to define font, height, and oblique settings, and remember text align for quick justification. When working with multiple viewports, enable annotative text so labels scale automatically. For complex labels, prefer multi-line text for bullets and basic formatting instead of manual line breaks or stacked fractions. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for playlists and timers while you draft, and enjoy clear sound during review sessions. It pairs perfectly with focused work sessions or casual breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Editing text is efficient when you use the built-in editor and grips together. Double-click text to open mText and make formatted edits, or use grips to nudge position and rotation without opening the editor. Use Matchprop to copy style and justification between objects, and set keyboard shortcuts for text and mText to speed up repeat tasks. Small habits like this save hours on large projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.